Hi, welcome back to the Tinkerage. Another quick update. A little bit warmer today. I've actually had sunglasses on, which has been great. Don't need an extra coat. It's been quite lovely, actually. So, what have I been able to do? Well, I now have a handle on the door, so I don't need to lock myself in when I'm working, which is just as well. Wouldn't want to hurt myself badly and no one will be able to get in. I've got the shelf up, but it's not in the right place. It's literally just resting on top of a couple of old boards. I've put up some 12mm ply there, nobody's piece of timber there. I'll be able to mark the shelf roughly in place, but it needs to go about 6 inches lower. So I'm going to have it level with this part of the window. So I need to just cut that to length, shape the end to fit around here. I need to make a couple of brackets. I might have some brackets, but I might end up just making a couple of quick brackets in order to support it there and there. And hopefully I can get that done tomorrow morning. Looking good. Unlike the bench tops and the floor. I'll be glad to get that shelf up and start getting things sorted again. Trying to find the right tools to do the door handle was quite a pain. It's probably added an extra half an hour to the job. So yeah, getting there. Hopefully very soon shelf will be done and some proper reorganisation can take place. Okay, that's enough for now. Keep you updated. See you soon. Bye now.